Hey there everyone, welcome back to Kuro Gaming. Today we have something special for all you tech geeks out there. A computational analysis workstation that's going to blow your mind. Let's not waste any time and jump right into the video. First up, we have the MSi Pro Z790 Wi-Fi motherboard. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, this board is a perfect foundation for a computational powerhouse. Whether you're crunching numbers or dominating the gaming scene, this motherboard has got you covered. Meet the Intel i9-13900K, a beast of a CPU that'll handle everything you throw at it. From intense computational tasks to running the latest AAA games, this chip is a true multitasking monster. Now let's talk speed and efficiency. We've paired a CPU with 4 sticks of 32GB Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM, ensuring lightning fast data access and seamless multitasking. Storage is crucial for data heavy tasks, so we chose 1TB of blazing fast Teamgroup MP44L SSD. Say goodbye to those dreaded loading screens. A powerful build deserves a home that looks as good as it performs. Our choice? An Antec case, sleek, spacious and designed for optimal airflow. Your components will stay cool and your setup will look fantastic. We are keeping our CPU chill with the Antec Symphony 360 ARGB cooler. Not only does it keep temperatures in check, but those RGB lights pump up the coolness meter for this workstation. Powering this beast is the PM850D ATX power supply. With its reliable performance and ample power delivery, you can push your system to the limits without any worries. Now check out the star of the show, the RTX A4000 16GB GPU. Whether you're rendering complex visualizations or indulging in some serious gaming after a hard day's work, this GPU with an average G3D score of 13904 has got the power you're looking for. And there you have it everyone, our computational analysis workstation is ready to tackle anything you throw at it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy gaming.